Welcome. In today's episode, we're going to look at 10 proverbs or wise saying about bears. Please do subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to watch my videos. Thank you.
Yo, egba panun nyanya alo lododo awla okude ehonu. Eta lododo awosi okata mama kplola fonucho hewonu. Eta miaja egoma mata. Lododo gbanto. Heponu mofwa honfevi o. Heponu mofwa honfevi o. A bird that hunts does not hunt the child of an eagle, or a bird that hunts does not pick the eaglet. Lododo evelia. Hetaibo medea hakple akangao o. Hetaibo medea hakple akangao o. A bird with a black head does not move with vultures. A bird with a black head does not move in the company of vultures. Lododo etonlia. Hesitre fofon ye fwa ahun legbenu. Alo hetre fofon fwa ahun legbenu. A bird that wakes up early picks the dew on the grass. A bird that wakes up early picks the dew on the grass. Lododo enelian. Hebuno medua hebuno fegbe o. Hebuno medua hebuno fegbe o. A disabled or a physically challenged bird does not speak a disabled voice. Lododo atolia. Hejoji kple lãfɔni medza xɔ o. Hejoji kple lãfɔni medza xɔ o. A bird does not move in the company of four-legged animals. A bird does not befriend four-legged animals. A bird can never befriend a four-legged animal. Lododo adelia. Heflide meflia ago o. Heflide meflia ago o. A bird that chops palm nuts does not chop the hard palm. A bird that chops palm nuts does not chop the hard palm. Lododo andrelia. Heiji mechiaji o. Heiji mechiaji o. When a bird flies up, it doesn't remain in the sky. A bird that flies up does not remain in the sky. Lododo enyilia. Hegbe hedona. Hegbe hedona. Every bird communicates in their own language. Every bird communicates their own language. Lododo ashekelia. Hegban azi megbana agoku o. Hegban azi megbana agoku o. A bird that breaks an egg does not break the knot of a hard palm. A bird that breaks an egg does not break the knot of a hard palm. Elododo awolia sinenya mameta. Hebiji medzona kple atɔ o. Hebidzi medzona kple atɔ o. An angered bird does not fly with its net. An angered bird does not fly with its net. A bird that is angry can never fly with its net.
Thank you for watching. Please, if you have any comment, any question or suggestion, please write it down below. And also, please do subscribe to my channel so that my next video that I will be uploading, you will not miss it. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload. Thank you.